white, number 4 of my colors. However, I changed out my colors some. I did pinks instead of blues. I'll turn this off so see if you can see it better. And I have the hoop on sideways. So as you can see, it's already starting to look like baby Minnie Mouse. And I try to cut the threads as I change out the thread, just so it's not so hard after the design is finished, because then it's kind of hard to pull it through. Like sometimes you can even stop it in between and cut the threads, and it'll restart at the same spot that you're at. So now I am on my next color change, which is going to be brown for the teddy bear. As you can see, it shows you what it's going to, what part of the design is going to be that color, but it's a little blurry on here, and that's just mostly because of the upload, but as you can see, it prints out nice and clear.